very big, this place.
And next to you coming for this gate.
No, I was in this gate because the security gate go to the left, but he have to pass through to the gate, other gate. So I gonna route back, and he say go to the right, and ooh, I make all.
How much you charge me?
We're gonna see.
Oh, there.
This all right.
The Mercedes.
Yeah, you're well.
That's expensive.
Okay, 100.
Guys.
All right.
This one.
Yes, it's not used for the job. For come here, service call, service fee.